everyone, you are welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of x from this nice equation. We are given that square root of 7 all raised to the power of square root of 24 minus square root of x is equal to 49. Then we are looking for the value of x that will satisfy this equation. To solve this equation, the first thing we need to recall is when we have square root of a, this can also be written as was a raised to the power of half. So this is equivalent to this. So this square root of 7 we are going to transform into this form. So therefore, the whole of this base, square root of 7, can also be written as what? 7 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Then all to the power of initial power, which is what? Square root of 24 minus square root of x, then everything will be equal to, and this 49, in order to make the base to be the same, we can write this 49 as what? 7 raised to the power of 2, because when you multiply 7 by 7, it's going to give us 49. So the next thing we're going to do is to recall that when we have the same bases, the power is also the same. Here we have base 7 and here is base 7. So we are going to equate the power. So the first power is what? 1 over 2 multiplied by square root of 24 minus square root of x. Then everything is equal to, the second power in the right hand side is the same as 2. So the next thing we're going to do is to clear the fraction. Here we have 1 over 2. For us to clear the fraction, we're going to multiply both sides by 2. So we multiply the left hand side by 2 and also the right hand side by 2. So that this 2 is going to cancel this 2. 1 multiplied by the whole of this is the same as what? Square root of 24 minus square root of x. Everything will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 4. So the next thing we're going to do is to remove this square root by square both sides of the equation. So we're going to square the left hand side and also we square the right hand side, so that this square is going to cancel this square root. In the left hand side, we are left with just 24 minus square root of x, which is equal to 4 square imply 4 multiplied by 4, which is going to give us 16. The next thing we're going to do is to take this constant 24 to the right hand side of this equation. So in the left hand side, we are left with just negative square root of x, which is equal to 16. And when this 24 cross the equality sign, it becomes negative 24. So we are going to have negative square root of x is equal to 16 minus 24 is going to give us negative 8. And here we have negative negative both sides of the equation. So this negative is going to cancel this negative. When we divide both sides by negative 1, we are left with just square root of x, which is equal to 8. And remember, we are looking for the value of x, not square root of x. To eliminate this square root, we are going to square both sides of the equation again. So we square the left hand side and also we square the right hand side, so that this square is going to cancel the square root. So we are left with x in the left hand side, which is equal to 8 square imply 8 multiplied by 8, which is going to give us 64. So therefore, 64 is the value of x that satisfies this equation. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more videos like this.